There's been another bomb cleaner here before me. It's not the grossest thing I've ever dealt with. I'd rather deal with this than a bug. I think it's like cake and bubble gum. It looks like lollies. Chocolate. I'm gonna pick up the stuff that can actually come off the floor. I'm throwing these rags away. That was shocking. I guess I gotta pick it up. Ugh. Lots of bubble gum. It smells like bubble gum. 2 different colors up here. This is clean now. I'm very proud of that. This will pass your bond. This